Hi, welcome to the lesson on how to create your own Meta business account. So this is how we're going to start our Meta ads journey. If you already have a business account, you can quickly glance through module one. But yeah, if you want to know and understand in depth of different aspects, then I would strongly suggest you go through the module one as well. So let's get started on creating a business account. So the prerequisites or the main requirements for starting or creating a business account in Meta is you need to have a Facebook account. This can be your company account, like your company profile on Facebook, or your personal profile in Facebook. Okay, so I have done it with my own personal profile on Facebook, and I also have given access, full control access to my company profile as well. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this first module. This is the first lesson. So we're just going to create the business account in this one. So let's dive into Google. So in Google, we're going to search for, sorry, that's not Meet, that is Meta. My bad. So if you see any spelling mistakes, please don't blame me. I am a little weak at spellings, but yeah, thank you for your cooperation. So yeah, we're going to search for Meta business account, and then we're going to click on Meta Business Suite. Keep in mind, I have been using my business account for the last 6 years, so I already have a business account. So when I click on Get Started here, it'll take me to a different journey than yours if you don't have one. But how to create one will be the same steps. I will just show you. So when I click on Get Started, it will take me over here where I have other different businesses in my portfolio, in my business account. So where I think it might take you, or where you will land up, is here. Okay, so you should see create a business portfolio. So you're going to enter your business name. This is basically your brand name. So if you have a company that says Dumbbells Private Limited, but your gym name is Stalin's Gym or Stalin Dumbbell Gym, or your Dumbbell Gym is your brand, then you enter the brand name here, and your first name, last name, and your email ID, preferably the same email ID that is with your Facebook account. If not, you can enter your business email ID, and that will also get access to your business manager, right? So once you do this, it will take you through the next step of adding another person into your business account. I'll just run you through a sample. Stan's gym. I'm just going to say Stan and Jim business email. This is not there. I'm just giving you an example. uh, okay, yeah, I think I can't give an apostrophe s, so yeah. So Stan's Gym. So I'm just going to create this, right? I For every account you can create two business portfolios or your business manager accounts. Only a maximum of two. I have two. Been a part of more than two. You can be given access to more than two business managers, but yeah, I have reached my limit. So next step would probably take you to adding more people into the account, and then setting up your time zones, and then creating it. So yeah, that is it. Congratulations on creating your Meta business account. I'll see you in the next one.